Hi everybody, it's Robbie from Southern California. Well, about a week ago, less than a week ago, Gary went on the hunt for gack fruit. We put a video up on YouTube showing his beautiful vine. And remember, his vine is like 50, I think it's hundreds of feet. That's it. 2 vines he's got growing all over the top of his garden on that arbor. Oh my goodness. Well, anyways, the problem is his 2 gack fruit are females. And yes, that is them. So we put the word out, but we continued to hunt, and Gary found on Etsy a guy that actually raises gack fruit. The problem is we don't know what's a male or female, but out of this lot, we're pretty sure we should end up with at least 1 male plant. Remember, his throws the female flowers that have the little fruit. Hopefully one of these will end up throwing the male with no fruit. So here are the arrival of the plants. Boy, they came quick. He shipped them out on Monday, and they're here today on Thursday. Actually, they're green. Oh,
Yeah,
they look good.
good. There's our information slip.
They're actually cool. So far, so good. How many are in there? Okay, so he's got them pre-planted. I can see he's got them pre-planted. Looks like he had them already in the pots, and then whenever they grew, and that's how he sells them. I'm going to have to do the hummingbirds. We're at close to 100 degrees. We're going to be this all week and into next week. And we were worried knowing they were arriving today in this weather.
Actually look like they don't even know that they moved.
That's unreal. Can you tell how many plants are in there?
Yeah, this one's got, yeah, it may have, let's see, it's definitely got 3. Can't tell if that's,
Yeah, I guess it doesn't matter, but you're going to open that up, right? You're not
Yeah.
going to, regardless. All right, then I'll.
did say 3 or 4, and
Now I see why it says 3 or 4. It's
Yeah.
what. And these were the last of them.
yeah, these were the last of this lot
So he grows them from seed.
from seed, yeah. And it was in Tampa, or near Tampa, please.
So that comes off. That's just for shipping, right?
Yeah, that's just for shipping.
And all you need is 1 male plant.
Yep.
3. It looks like it's 3 plants in there.
Yeah, there's a stem here that doesn't have leaves, but I don't know if that's a separate plant or not. I'm not going. Yeah, they come.
One stem, or do they send multiple stems?
Usually it's single stem. The ones that have, there's 3 that have got the leaves on them. They look good. And there's that one, and this is the other box.
And to the right here, you can see that's his store on Etsy. So you'd go to etsy.com and you'd look up his name, which is EVA 30 Garden, and you can see what he's got if you're interested in any exotic type plants he's growing.
What?
Maybe you can sit on the windowsill for a second.
Yeah.
Just make sure it doesn't fall.
Set it out of the way there. Okay, so each pot was like taped to the wall, inside wall of the boxes. So it wouldn't shift.
They lost the leader. Will that matter? You got to watch and see.
Yeah, I don't think it'll
With the heat.
matter. I see there's new leaves starting now. Possibly on the way over they started to form. And let's see. There's 2 in there. So he's got the bamboo canes on the outside to protect it from, during shipping. You see that?
Now, can you tell the type, male or female by the leaves?
No, you can't. All the leaves are different shapes, and each plant has individual shaped leaves.
Oh, it's interesting. So you could have males and females. It has nothing to do with the shape of the leaves.
The shape of the leaf has nothing to do with the sex of the plant. The hitchhiker.
What?
The hitchhiker.
What do you mean? Oh my goodness, that is a Florida. Look at the size of that earthworm.
Yeah.
That's a big one. Do they have different earthworms than us?
Probably the same. Okay, this one actually has 3.
So there's one plant here, one plant there, and one plant in the back. Oh, so
Yeah.
you got 3, and that one's 1.
Yeah.
So this one's got 4.
This batch had 4.
Okay. Wait, he's not happy. You better not get loose in the kitchen. He'll dry out. Okay.
Okay.
So good to know. Big thumbs up on this, as long as it doesn't die by tomorrow. 100 degrees. I wonder if they took him straight out of the post office and brought him up here priority mail. Is that one all right, that plant?
Yeah, no, that's good. We can just air out a bit now.
Okay. Okay, somebody wants to get in the action. Zoe, come here. Well, you want to know what's going on? I can't lift you. Maybe Gary can lift you up to see. She wants to know, why are you not paying attention to me? You want to see? She wants to see. Okay, she doesn't.
She doesn't.
All right.